To install the VPN, we're going to begin by going to secure.vpn.ucf.edu. If you're using Google, you can just search VPN UCF, and it should be one of the first links that pop up. After clicking the site, you'll be asked to log in with your NID and password. In my case, I'm a faculty member, so my group is the UCF staff. If you're a student, you should be able to click on the drop-down menu to find your appropriate category. After that, click the login button. From there, the process is relatively straightforward. Go ahead and download the file, and then click through the installation process. You will be asked for your administrator password at some point. From there, you'll get a prompt that will indicate you need to take a few additional steps in order to get AnyConnect running. So go ahead and click Open Preferences, and then go to the Security and Privacy settings and unlock them. From there, you're going to want to allow AnyConnect from loading. At that point, you should get another prompt, and go ahead and just click OK. Now, one last thing that I did was just to allow notifications and whatnot up in my toolbar up top. This will allow me to see when AnyConnect is connected or not, and maybe even disconnect using the toolbar. At that point, AnyConnect is now installed, and we can load it up by going to our Applications folder. There you'll find a folder named Cisco, and if you click inside of it, you'll see the AnyConnect application. So double click it, and at this point you can type in the VPN connection webpage, which is again secure.vpn.ucf.edu. There again you'll be asked for your username or NID and your password. Again, remember to select the correct group that you're a part of. After that, click OK and accept, and you're now connected to the VPN. Because I use the VPN all the time as a regular part of my work, I'm going to go ahead and add it to the dock. Once you have the VPN running, you can go up to the top toolbar in order to enable it and disable it through the drop-down menu. And there you have it. Now the UCF VPN is installed.